Hello everyone, this is Sudhir Aluru with student ID 2856834, and now I am here to explain regarding my project Android voting system. Basically it's an Android application. Coming to the introduction, my idea is to develop an application that avoids the physical presence of the person in organization while voting. This voting may be regarding an issue or choosing a person and many other general topic to know whether their co-workers or friends or even about the opinion of other students. My application is a general awareness based application to provide more features with compared to available Android voting systems like Vote Everywhere, Poll Everywhere, etc. I mainly concentrated on authentication of the voter and also providing the user regarding the future oncoming events where they can tell it to others and increasing their awareness of that particular upcoming event without confusion. They can send their vote even if they reached out of the internet without hassles using their mobile service provider and a little main balance using the OTP generated to their mobile. My aim is to provide easily understandable user interface without bugs because many voting applications have many confusions with the user interface and the heart of the project. Any project or any application depends upon the user interface. As simple as user interface, there is a more likely chance to have more number of downloads and more number of good user reviews, etc. To secure the voter details after polling using encryption, every voter will vote, would they cast their vote, and they may worry about their vote, like their organization is going to fire them if they have voted like this, if they have given negative vote to the person or that issue. So this thing will not happens in my application because I am going to use an encryption standard. Basically I am using 128 encryption. In future I am going to upgrade to 1256. So this encryption will just cache the vote, but it does not show which OTP person have done this, which person have done that negative vote to that organization. So the organization can't know whether this particular person is giving the negative review of that. So generating unique OTP to registered mobile and email in the organization database, that is only valid for that one session. So basically if the OTP, many people will think how this voting will be successful, many same in the physical presence. They Why don't they try to cheat by casting many votes using this application? So you can completely worry free, these type of issues will not happen here, because the OTP generated is using for access code, it acts as access code basically. So when we use that OTP at once, so it is going to lock that OTP, it is not going to generate one more OTP for new voting. So they have to wait until the results of the closing of the ongoing event, and the new OTP is generated only when new event is going to occur. So this OTP is unique and every person receives their own OTP and as access key. So the OTP used as access key to confirm either the user voted is that particular valid person of the organization or not. By providing locking their IP address when they logged in, so the IP address and OTP will be locked along with their email ID and password, so they can't cheat by voting once again until that particular event get closed and until a new event started. Functionalities: user can cast their vote from anywhere without presence by using an Android phone. They can be post the upcoming events list and winning results to their social media. This is a nice feature I'm going to provide. They can post, they can share their active participation in the voting of that organization, and how much majority the issue have been solved. They can post. It's completely upon their opinion. So they can even post some issues which hide their identity who actually posted, but only shows the content by encrypting their name. Functionalities: user can cast their vote from anywhere without presence by using an Android phone. They can be post the upcoming events list and winning results to their social media. They can even post some issues which hide their identity who actually posted, but only shows the content by encrypting their name. This can help that organization to conduct another event regarding the issue and making it solved No other persons cannot be able to join except the registered employees or students of the organization, as OTP and other secure features block all other stuff as this app is dedicated to them. This makes the organization to become worry free, thinking issues posted without showing who posted are not junk post and how to consider as important. No exact matching application is available on the Play Store to this idea. The applications available are Poll Everywhere, etc., are being failed in providing these premium features. I think this app works great because it saves a lot of time to present physically and cost saving to attend for every event going in the organization and telling your opinion which you worry about. My existing system application is taken from Poll Everywhere. Play Store is having millions of apps, but only 3 to 4 apps are popped up around voting. That to fail to provide more securities. This made me to drive crazy to develop this app to overcome their drawbacks. My proposed system provides more security and most easily understandable interface even for a common person, and tools and software required are a general programming along like a Java and a PHP, where PHP completely deals with the database, like sending some passwords, etc. in web. Also, and an Android Studio, which is an IDE for developing Android applications, and database SQL to store all results of the events conducted in that organization. And the project is targeted to complete within 10 weeks with an estimated price of 14.8 to €5. Funds can be requested from Griffith College and other crowds, and also generating by advertising in app and some of the investment from my side. And the Gantt chart was broken based on 7 steps like proposal, which take me for 5 days, and choosing team for around 3 days, and development for 25 days, deployment around 15 days, and testing user interface around 10 days, updating app and making it bug free for 15 days, and overall documentation for 53 days. Future aspects are to provide application to even other mobiles like iOS and Windows, and to use 256 encryption by replacing 128 encryption, and to provide even location based service events with same organization in different location. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.